WT0380 Charito Tordesillas, 38 years old, married, a high school graduate with 2 years of domestic helper experience in Qatar. Miss Charito, tell me something about yourself.
Good afternoon, I'm Charito Tordesillas. I'm married and I'm 38 years old and I'm high school graduate and I'm 2 years experience in Qatar.
Okay, so how long is your travel time from your place to Manila?
1.5 hours.
Okay, so for example, you will be selected for Hong Kong. Who will take care of your children?
My husband or my mother.
Did your husband allow you to work in Hong
Yes.
Kong? Okay. So, can you tell me your hobbies as an individual?
My hobbies is cooking, dancing, or sing, or reading pocketbooks.
Okay, so for example, you're already in Hong Kong. Could you teach the child how to dance?
Yes,
Okay.
I know to.
So, one of your hobbies is cooking, right? Do you know how to prepare or cook Chinese foods?
Yes, I know how to cook wonton, pancit, and Shanghai roll.
Okay. So, how long can you work in Hong Kong?
I worked for 2 years.
So, why did you choose Hong Kong among any other countries?
Because
in Asia?
Hong Kong is a high salary and good place and open country.
Okay. Can you promise to finish your contract as a domestic helper for 2 years
Yes,
in
I
Hong Kong?
promise.
Okay. So, for example, you're already in Hong Kong, then they ask you to take care of a disabled person. Are you willing to take care of a disabled person?
Yes, I'm willing to take a disabled person.
Okay. So, how about a newborn baby?
Yes, I'm willing.
Can you tell me the step-by-step procedure in bottle feeding?
Yes, I'm.
Okay.
First, wash the hands, and second, wash the bottle and boil. And second, put the water and milk and make sure that feel hot or cold.
Okay. Then, for what are your duties and responsibilities when you're still working in Qatar?
I'm working in Qatar. My duties and responsibility is to prepare their foods,
Okay.
cleaning their house, ironing clothes, and washing the clothes.
Okay. So, do you know how to sing any lullaby song for babies?
Yes, I know.
Can you
how to
sing one for us?
One little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay, thank you very much. So, what will be your message to your soon-to-be or future employer once you get hired?
Sir, madam, if you choose or hire me, I promise you that I'm a hardworking and trustworthy and be patient to my employer.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Desillas.
Thank you very much.